Hey, I'm back. Do you like cicadas? I don't. Let me explain to you why in this video vlog. Okay, I know you're thinking, this is a strange thing to make a vlog about. Why are you talking about cicadas? But I'll get into it. For those that don't know, cicadas are very, I shouldn't say popular, but I guess they are kind of popular in Japan as a summertime sound. And if you've ever been to Japan, you know they make this wah, wah, weird sound, and I find it annoying. Lots of people like it. They think, this signifies, Japan and the sounds of the season. Japan is actually really into that. For every season, they like different flavors, sounds, sights, etc. And one of the sounds of summer is the cicada. And also, I think another reason they like it is in the traditional Japanese thinking and philosophy, things that are transient are considered to be very beautiful. It comes with the idea of perhaps wabi-sabi. I'm not sure if that's really related. But also in Buddhism. So I imagine Buddhism is where this idea comes from, and transient beauty and all that kind of thing. And to be honest, I don't really mind that so much, except for when it comes to like supermarkets and restaurants where they get rid of foods I like, which I've mentioned before. But cicadas, I don't like. Apparently they only live for about like 2 weeks or something, but if you ask me, that's 2 weeks too long. I don't want to hear them at all. And I know you're probably thinking like, yeah, like why are you really like harping on this? Why do you care? Those that have been watching my channel, recently I've been doing lots of like 3D sound walks. So if you put in your headphones, you can hear it. If you haven't checked those out, check those out. I don't know, here. I don't know which side the thing's gonna pop up at. But anyways, you can click it and you can see I've done, like quite a few now. And I enjoy doing them, and now that I'm on summer vacation, I thought like I'll do more. I have free time. One of the problems though is the weather hasn't been that good. I like to go out on like a really sunny day and do them in some interesting place, but recently the weather's been rainy for some reason, which is unusual. Anyway, I thought today, you know what? It might be interesting if I actually did one in the rain, because the rain sounds actually really good with binaural headphones. You can hear it like going back and forth, and it sounds like the rain's all around you. So I thought, I'm gonna go and do that. And so I went out and I went to someplace just close because I thought, this may not work so well with the camera and everything. But I filmed it and I was right, the camera didn't look good. But even worse, when I was there, I heard the sounds of cicadas just wah, wah, wah. And I don't know if it's a cicada or some other bug, but it had this weird sound like wah, like that. And I'm just walking in these woods, it's kind of dark, and basically, it looked and sounded like a horror movie. I'll put it in here so you can actually hear it yourself. So, as you heard, this was really strange. It was actually creepy for me to walk through there. And actually in these woods, I think 1 or 2 years ago, there was some murderer who was hiding in there, but they caught him, luckily. So when I was there was no murderer, I hope. But I made it out alive, obviously. And it was okay, but besides the video being ruined, I don't really care about that. I didn't spend so much time there and I didn't have to go a long ways. But it annoyed me that these sounds kind of ruined the video. So I'll try to go back there some other time. Maybe when it rains again, I'll fix the issue with the camera. I think I know how to fix it. I'll spray some anti-water stuff on there so it doesn't look all smudgy like it did this time. But I have to go back another time again because all those cicada sounds are kind of ruining the video where it should just be nice water sounds. And if it was just this one time, I wouldn't care. It'd be fine. But I did another video recently at Sankei-in, which I haven't released yet. it has the same problem. There's just these loud cicada noises. It's like, oh. And I don't know. I like the footage, and I'm gonna put that out. But to be honest, that sound is annoying me. So hopefully other people like it. I'm planning on going to Sankayin again. Maybe I'll go in autumn or something where there'll be no cicadas, and I'll at least get some different shots. But keep on the lookout for that. I'm gonna try to do something different with that Sankayin video also. So tell me if you like it when it comes out. And tell me how you feel about cicadas. Do you think it's a beautiful sound that signals the summer? Or do you think it's an annoyance and you hate the sound? So let me know below. Give me a like, share the video, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Until next time, see you.